So we believe in buying local. So today, our entire group, over 95% of what we sell is grown and bought here in Kenya. And so we hope to continue to do that even in Taita Taveta where we can. We want to employ the children, the sons and daughters of this region to also buy our product. For us, it also means our commitment to growing communities outside of Nairobi.
Chicken will be supplied here, and vegetable will be supplied here. And above all, like the DG has said, we have requested for them to give us a platform to display our goods that are made by the locals, especially the women groups and the youth. So we have the viondos, you have the handcrafts. So that is going to be a very big opportunity for marketing for what is already being produced here.
What it means for us, we have been appealing for people who have business ideas, who want to invest, to come and invest in Taita Taveta. Why? Because we have a huge burden of unemployment for our young people. We're having so many graduates in this county whose parents, we usually say, tightened the belt. They denied themselves a lot of so that their children can go to school. They are graduated, but they are at home because there are no business opportunities, there are no employment opportunities. And if there are business opportunities, they don't have the capital. But those kinds of things we are dealing with.